Hi everyone, we're gonna just finish lesson 2, unit 2, which is dangers of electricity. Let's see. In the last session, we've talked about the dangers of electricity, and it's divided into two types, the direct injuries and indirect injuries. Okay, but the examples of direct injuries are electric fire, electric shock, and the last thing is electric burn. But also in the previous session we've talked about the electric fire, so we're gonna start by the electric shock. What's the meaning of electric shock? Electric shock is the result of passing electric current through the human body, like that name. Okay, but the harms of electric shock depends on two things. Number one, the strength of the current passing in the human body, the amount of current. Okay. Number two, the time of current passing through the human body. So the harms of electric shock depends on two things: the strength or the amount of current, and the time of passing that current. What the reasons of the electric shock? The reason number one, a part of your body touches a wire that has an electric current in it, and the other part touches the ground. So a part of your body touches a wire and the other part touches the ground. Number two, a part of your body touches a wire, okay, that has electric current of course, and at the same time you touch a material that is good conductor of electricity, which is connected with the ground, like this figure. Reason number three, you touch two non-insulating wires conducting electricity. Okay. But you have to know something very important. The electric shock happens in one condition: when your body is a part of a closed electric circuit. When electric current flows from a part of your body and get out from the other part. So the electric shock happens when your body is a part of a closed electric circuit. Okay, the first part of your body gets the electricity, and the other part get out the electricity. Okay, but unfortunately, in many cases of electric shock causing death. Okay, the danger number three. The danger number three is electric burn. What's the meaning of electric burn? Electric burn, they are burns that result from electricity and cause damage of body tissues, like this. But the reasons of electric burn: first, a part of your body touch a fire or a spark resulting from the electric fire. Number one, a part of your body touch a fire that resulting from the electric fire. That's number one. Number two, a part of your body touch an electric current directly. So in this case, the electric burns happen as a result of electric shock. So number one, the reason number one of electric burn by touch the fire that resulting from the electricity. Number two, just touch the electric wires or as a result of electric shock. Reason number three, touching an electric machine that generates heat. Because like electric iron and electric heater, so please keep away from those things, electric iron and electric heater. Now, you have injured person which have electric shock or have electricity, and I wanna just save him. Okay, the last issues, first aid when accidents occur as a result of electric current. This figure. Primary, we have to do steps. Step number 1, insulate the injured person from the electric current. How? By disconnecting or cutting off the electricity. So when you just say a person, injured person, you have to cut off the electricity. But how? If you can't disconnect the electricity, so by pushing him by anything that's bad conductor of electricity, such as a piece of wood or plastic. Step number 2. Call the physician immediately. Number 3, open up the tight clothes of the injured to help him in breathing. So to help him in breathing, you have to open up the tight clothes. Okay, but you have to keep his heart beating. Okay, by pressing on the chest with the palm of your hand. So to keep the heart beating by pushing or pressing on the chest. But if the injured person cannot breathe, stop the artificial respiration immediately. So it's so dangerous, yeah? So we have precautions in deal with electricity shock. Number 1, don't place several connections in the same socket. Because it causes, why? Because it causes electric fire, okay? So don't insert a metallic object in the socket, like nail, a screwdriver, not insulated metal wire. Primary, if you have baby in your house, so place a piece of plastic in the socket to prevent the inserting another body in it. Don't touch the electric machines that are connected to the electric current with a wet hand. So when your hand is wet, don't touch any electric machine. Number 4, don't leave an electric machine or heater connected with the electric current while taking a bath. So don't leave the electric machines that generate heat energy. When after finishing, you have to disconnecting it. Number 6, don't play with the electric connections. Okay, like the others. So number 7, don't fix, maintain or clean the electric machine while connected with the electric source. 8, don't place the flammable materials, curtains, furniture, clothes, covers, rugs, paper near to the electric machine that emits heat, like of course electric iron and electric heaters. Okay, don't leave the wires naked and not insulated like that. No, you have to insulate that. Okay, don't place the electric wires extending on the ground so no one trips on them while walking. Alright, thank you for watching.